Pretty cool. Mazda Miata. Probably one of the best cars you can have on the track.
Brother, what are you doing? Oh my! Oh my God!
Got Hector here. He's installing a kill switch. For those that don't know what a kill switch is, it helps well, fight against car theft basically. So Hector is finishing that up, and once it's finished, we'll show you how exactly it works. Alright, so Hector just finished the install, and he's going to attempt to start the car with the kill switch activated. Nothing happens. Now with the kill switch off, the car starts right up, and you're good to go.